Welcome to Silicone. We are a professional manufacturer of silicone vacuum bag for laminating machine and silicone rubber sheet for solder laminate. Now, I'm showing you the silicone vacuum bag sample. First, we see this is whole view of silicone vacuum bag. The silicone vacuum bag is made of two silicone sheets, the up sheet and the down sheet. And the third part of silicone vacuum bag is the sealing part. The sealing part on upside, sealing part on downside. So when you are vacuuming, you place the sealing part together. And the fourth part of silicone bag is the vacuum hose and the vacuum tube. This is the silicone tube. This is a silicone tube. If you need more information of silicone vacuum bag, please contact us. Silicone. We offer the best quality silicone vacuum bag for your laminating machine.